Is your skin feeling rough and dull? Sugar scrubs are an excellent solution for exfoliating, hydrating, and leaving your skin glowing. But not all scrubs are created equal, and finding the perfect one for your skin type and needs can be challenging. In today's video, we'll review the top 5 sugar scrubs that deliver exceptional results, detailing their key features, benefits, and usability to help you make the best choice for smooth, nourished skin. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Burt's Bees. The Burt's Bees Honey and Sugar Scrub is a natural exfoliant that combines the goodness of honey and sugar to gently buff away dead skin while nourishing it with hydrating ingredients. Perfect for anyone seeking a balance of exfoliation and moisture, this scrub is a treat for the senses. Key features: the scrub features finely milled sugar crystals for gentle exfoliation, honey to lock in hydration, and jojoba seed oil to smooth and soften the skin. It's 100% natural, free of parabens, phthalates, and petrolatum, making it a safe choice for most skin types. Benefits and usage: massage a small amount onto damp skin in circular motions, focusing on rough areas like elbows and knees. The sugar crystals dissolve as you scrub, revealing softer, healthier-looking skin. Its nourishing formula helps maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier, preventing dryness. Usability: with its creamy texture and light, pleasant scent, this scrub is easy to use and leaves no sticky residue. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, making it a versatile option for everyday use. Durability: packaged in a sturdy tub, this scrub lasts through several uses as a little goes a long way. Its tightly sealed lid ensures the product stays fresh and effective over time. In the second spot, we have SheaMoisture. The SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hand and Body Scrub is a luxurious exfoliant that transforms dull, dry skin into a silky, radiant glow. Infused with tropical ingredients, it offers an indulgent experience while delivering real results. Key features: this scrub combines sugar crystals with coconut oil for hydration, hibiscus flower extract for brightening, and shea butter to deeply moisturize. It's cruelty-free and contains no sulfates, parabens, or synthetic fragrances, staying true to SheaMoisture's clean beauty standards. Benefits and usage: apply to wet skin and massage gently to exfoliate and hydrate simultaneously. The coconut oil melts into your skin as you scrub, leaving it soft, smooth, and glowing. It's ideal for tackling rough patches and restoring skin's elasticity. Usability: its rich, buttery texture spreads easily and rinses off without leaving an oily residue. The tropical scent adds a touch of indulgence to your skincare routine, making it a delightful option for pampering sessions. Durability: packaged in a robust container, the scrub maintains its texture and efficacy over time. With regular use, it provides excellent value as the generous tub size lasts for weeks. Coming in at number 3 is The Body Shop. The Body Shop Mango Exfoliating Sugar Body Scrub is a vibrant, fruity exfoliant that combines sugar and mango seed oil for a tropical skincare experience. This scrub is perfect for anyone looking to rejuvenate and hydrate their skin. Key features: this product features organic sugar crystals for exfoliation, mango seed oil for hydration, and community fair trade ingredients, reflecting The Body Shop's commitment to ethical sourcing. Its formula is vegan and free of harsh chemicals, ensuring it's gentle on the skin. Benefits and usage: scoop a small amount and massage it onto damp skin in circular motions. The sugar crystals buff away dead skin cells, while the mango seed oil nourishes and hydrates, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Usability: it's lightweight, non-greasy formula spreads effortlessly and rinses off easily, making it a user-friendly choice. The tropical mango scent lingers subtly, adding a refreshing touch to your skincare routine. Durability: the scrub comes in a durable, eco-friendly jar that preserves the product's freshness. Its generous size ensures multiple uses, making it a worthwhile investment for glowing skin. Taking our 4th spot is Neutrogena. The Neutrogena Body Clear Body Scrub is a dermatologist-recommended exfoliant designed for acne-prone skin. Combining sugar with salicylic acid, it offers gentle exfoliation while targeting breakouts and clogged pores. Key features: this scrub features 2% salicylic acid to combat acne, sugar crystals to remove dead skin cells, and a clean rinsing formula free of oils and residues. It's non-comedogenic and dermatologist tested, ensuring it's both effective and safe. Benefits and usage: apply the scrub to damp skin and massage gently, focusing on areas prone to breakouts, such as the back and shoulders. Regular use helps clear up existing blemishes and prevent future ones, leaving your skin clearer and smoother. Usability: the lightweight gel texture makes it easy to apply, and its clean rinsing formula ensures no residue is left behind. It's suitable for daily use, especially for those with body acne concerns. Durability: packaged in a sturdy tube, this scrub is convenient for shower use and travel. Its concentrated formula ensures long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. And finally, at number 5, we have Tatcha. The Tatcha, the Rice Polish Classic, is a luxurious sugar-based exfoliant inspired by Japanese beauty rituals. Combining sugar and rice bran, it gently polishes the skin for a smooth, luminous complexion. Key features: this scrub features finely ground sugar crystals and rice bran to exfoliate, silk protein for hydration, and Tatcha's Hadaceae 3 complex to deliver antioxidants and anti-aging benefits. It's free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Benefits and usage: dispense a small amount and mix with water to create a creamy paste. Massage it onto damp skin, then rinse thoroughly. This unique formula brightens, smooths, and leaves your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. Usability: its gentle, water-activated formula is easy to use and suitable for all skin types. The scrub transitions from a powder to a creamy lather, making it a luxurious step in any skincare routine. Durability: packaged in an elegant jar with a well-sealed lid, this scrub maintains its quality over time. A little product goes a long way, offering excellent value despite its premium price. And there you have it, the top 5 sugar scrubs for smooth, radiant skin. Whether you're seeking hydration, acne relief, or a luxurious pampering experience, one of these scrubs is sure to meet your needs. Remember to exfoliate gently and consistently for the best results, and always follow up with a moisturizer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert skincare reviews. See you in the next video.